Hello mga kasampalenyo, and as you can see in front of me, the one that I ordered before we went to London. And let's see what we have here. And this is the one that I watched on YouTube for many times, guys. And before I order this, I really want to know if this is really good. That's why I keep on watching on YouTube, and most of the bloggers, guys, not only here in UK but even in the Philippines and all over the world anyway, I can say that. And that's why I was convinced this is a good one, so I ordered it in DJI. So here is, guys, my own DJI Neo. See, I ordered the combo because I know you don't need the remote. You can use your phone, but you can do more if you have the combo. So that's what I ordered in DJI. That's it. And what else we have here? Almost nothing now. See? So let's put that box out of the way. And let's open my new drone, guys. That is my new drone. So let's see what we have here. I'm already excited for this, guys. And if you watch this in YouTube, you will learn loads. What do we have here? Yep, the charger plus the battery. You have extra 2 batteries. Look at that, it's too small compared to our other drone. So at least because these batteries won't last long. Most of them, they saying it's 10 minutes, some saying 15 minutes, but of course, every time you have a drone, guys, it depends where you use your drone. Of course, if it's windy, you need more power. So even they said this is 20 minutes, but this one is really 18 minutes. That's what they're saying, 18 minutes. But some guys already tried this. It only lasts 15 or 10 minutes. Because as I said, this depends where you use your drone. If it's windy, so of course you need more power. All drone is like that, guys. So it's not what they said really. And you have the connection here, and then for charging your battery, and then you have a screw, a small screw for if you change the propeller, of course. Let's put that on the side. And what else we got here? And this is the remote. Oh, I'm not expecting that. I thought it's not that heavy, but it is. And this is the remote. There you go. The only thing I don't like here is that not like on the other drone that we have, the Mini 3 Pro. You can see it here, and this one is where you put your phone. So I'm not really excited with this one, guys, using your phone. I don't know how to open this one. We will do that later on. Put that on the side. That's the battery that we have. And this is the main. This is the extra propeller, guys. So we got 2 extra propeller. And when you change this, make sure that you're putting it on the right place, because in all drones you have always to be check if it's left or right. Okay, so that's the 2 extra propeller. And of course some booklet to read, plus the stickers of DJI, instructions, quick start, normal paperwork in buying gadget, guys. We'll have a time for that. And this is the main thing. Oh, it's really nice. Let's see. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. DJI Neo. This is what I want. As they say, this can take off and landing in your palm of your hand, which is, I think, very comfortable to do. And we have the battery here, and it says here charge first before you use. So this is the battery. Okay, so we will have to charge this one first, and maybe we can try it tomorrow. But no, I'm still working days tomorrow. So as you can see there, that's the camera of the drone. Okay, so at least we have this one now, and we can try this on my day off, or maybe on my if we will have what, I know it will be nice weather tomorrow till it's gonna rain Friday, guys. So I don't know when we're gonna try this drone. So that's all, guys. I just want to present to you my new gadget, DJI Neo. So we have this one now, and of course I will have time to study first everything, although I already have idea on how using this, because as I said earlier, I already watched so many bloggers all over the world using this one, including Philippines, guys. And I already have a bit of idea on how to use this. So now it's in my hand. So I have all the chance now to use my new gadget. Okay, guys. The price of this one, oh, it's not that expensive. It's affordable, guys. So just check on the YouTube or on DJI store how much this one, because I don't want to say it. Maybe you're gonna say, oh, you're bragging the price again, blah blah blah. So I don't want to say the price. As I said, it's not too expensive compared to the other drones or compared to my DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it's very affordable, guys. So that's it. And as I said, thank you very much. Thank you for watching all my video. Thank you for supporting me. To all my subscribers, hello, hello, hello. Take care, everyone. And I hope more people will subscribe my small channel. Please do subscribe, like, and share. And take care, and God bless us all. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.